Skip the fancy gadgets, save money, and make your own cold brew coffee at home. Here's what you'll need. 2 lidded jars that can hold more than 3 cups of water, a coffee filter, a funnel, and of course your favorite coffee beans coarsely ground. You'll want a 1/4 pound of coffee, roughly 1.5 cups, for every 3 cups of cold water. Give the coffee and water a good mix to get the grounds saturated. Cover it up and let it steep at least 12 hours at room temperature, or in the fridge for at least 18 hours. Cold brew's longer brew process allows for a richer, smoother, less bitter coffee. After steeping, grab that second jar and place the funnel, then the coffee filter on top of the open lid, and slowly pour your brew through. Cold brew is concentrated, so you need to dilute it with a 1:1 or 1:1.5 brew to water ratio. After that, enjoy it with your favorite fixins or black over ice. You can also heat it up and drink it hot. Your cold brew will keep for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. There are cold brew coffee makers that can cut brew time way down. You can check them out and get access to our exclusive ratings at cr.org/coffeemakers.